Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So today we are going to make this beautiful long fabric necklace. So I have already made some videos of fabric choker on my channel but never made a video of long fabric necklace like this. So I thought why not to come up with the same. And here we are with a brand new tutorial of this beautiful fabric long necklace. So I hope that you will enjoy the tutorial and watch the tutorial till the end, because in the end I also explained how I made this beautiful matching earrings with this necklace. So if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and if you are new here on my channel and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing and innovative jewelry making techniques like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is any designer fabric, cardboard for making base, round kundans, sticky kundans, fabric glue, Fevibond glue, Gantan mala, charms, eye pins, cutter, plier and scissor, any fabric for back finishing, and I am taking these two bottles as an instrument to make a round circle. So we will start now. First of all, we'll make a necklace. For the same, I am taking the base of this Fevicol glue and I will make a round out of this. We'll cut that quickly. Okay, so now I'm taking this fabric and I'll measure how much it is required to cover this circle, and accordingly I'll take this fabric. With the help of Fevibond glue, we are going to stick this one. So I am taking this Fevibond glue now and we will apply it to the edges and we will stick this one. This is a very easy and quick recipe, I would like to say, of fabric necklace set. It takes hardly 15 minutes for me to make this one, and also if you followed my steps properly, you can also make this in approx 15 to 20 minutes max to max. Okay, so I have applied properly. Make sure that nothing is coming out from front side. Now I am taking this eye pins, and I guess it will be bigger, so I'll cut them in half. Oh my god. Okay, so I have these two jump rings and I'll attach them now only. This is to attach Kantan mala later. And at the same time we are going to do back finishing. That is, I am taking this cloth and will apply this. We are going to do a lot of things now. First of all, I'll check how much is required and I'll cut it accordingly. Now we are going to stick this one with the help of Heyyyyy bond itself. Apply ample amount of glue so that it will stick properly, and also it will have a back finishing correctly. Now we are going to add kundans here. So for that I am taking fabric glue and I am taking these round kundans. So we will apply this to half side of this, and we are going to apply these kundans. So I'll do that quickly now. Okay, so I have applied this one, and now we will wait for a few minutes to let it dry, and then we will start the next part of the same. So guys, this has dried up, and now we will cut this extra fabric from back side. Okay, so back finishing is done. Now we will add these charms. So for that I am taking this needle and thread, and to this side, means to the opposite side of this, we are going to add this charm. So I will first make a knot here. Okay, and I'll add one charm here. So I'll attach it from both these sides. Okay, now again I'm going to add one. We are going to add 2 or 3 or more of them, maybe 6, 5 or 6, not 2 or 3. So again we will repeat the same process for all of these. So I'll quickly do that, and I'll add quickly 5 to 6 charms, and I'll come back. So guys, we have added these charms. I have added 6 charms here, one is coming down. Now we will just add gantan malas and necklace hook to this, and then our necklace is almost ready. So we'll open one hook of eye pin and I'll add 2 gantan malas in this. So I have taken 32 pearls in each of the gantan mala, so that is the length. So measure 32 pearls and then cut the gantan mala, then it will be it's as per this size. Okay, so it's done. Now we will add some eye pins here, some hook. Now we'll add some jump rings here. Okay, now I'm again adding this necklace hook in this. So I have added necklace hook and jump ring on one side. Now we are going to do it for another side. So I'll just add 2 jump rings to this side. That's it, because this necklace is already has enough length, so I don't think it is necessary to add more jump rings and make it more longer. So with this our beautiful necklace is ready. Okay, and now for the earrings, I have already made some both earrings. So I just made this circle the same way I made this, and then I made a bow circle and just attached 3 kundans to this, and here I just add 2 eye pins here and 1 eye pin here, and then I take the gantanmala in the size of 3 pearl beads and attach them. Similarly you can do that very easily, and with that our beautiful ear necklace is ready. If you like the tutorial, do like to the video. Do subscribe to my channel to watch amazing jewelry making tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching my video till the end. See you next time. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.